collectors and gift givers, here is another My Froggy Stuff buyer's guide. Finally, I got Lilith Blair, one of the new Integrity Toys Direct exclusive dolls. That's right, folks. We can go directly to Integrity Toys website and buy basic dolls for $99. Yeah! Wait a minute. Sold out when they are in stock. And that's the catch. Many of the ones on my current wish list are sold out, but when you read the fine print, it does say that these open editions will be restocked on a regular basis, and you can be added to a notification list for when they are available. So we just have to have a little patience. Yeah, be patient. I can totally do that. Except for when I need the doll for my stories. If time is an issue, you can always buy parts or the doll from third-party sellers. But you might end up paying a premium, which is what I did. Normally, I just wait it out. Like I did for my Maya Angelou doll. I've been looking for this doll since the beginning of this year. She sold out quickly and then the prices quickly escalated. But I was calm and patient and I got her for the original retail price of $29.99. But I really needed this doll for our doll series Summer in Cali, so I went ahead and paid the premium. I bought it from AMC Collection, an authorized Integrity Toys dealer. I've bought dolls from this site before, and they usually ship pretty quickly in my experience. Out of the shipping box, it is wrapped in tissue paper, and we can make out New Face. Let's remove the paper to reveal a very nice box. The box is textured. On the back, it says 12.5 inch, 1/6 scale fashion doll, outfit and accessories. This doll cannot stand alone. A doll stand is included. This collectible doll contains small parts that may not be suitable for children under the age of 3 years old. Collectors 15 and up only. Then we can open the box to reveal the doll. It comes with a certificate of authenticity, letting us know that this is doll number 279 out of 2000. Let's carefully remove her from the box, along with the doll stand and accessories. Out of the box, I think this doll is absolutely gorgeous. Her stats read Lilith head sculpt, body type NF 3.0, foot sculpt high-heeled, skin tone light honey, hair color dark brunette, eyelashes yes hand applied, quick switch no. She comes dressed in a blue yoga outfit with a sports bra that has elastic under the chest, some nice stitching, and there is no opening in the back. She also has blue biker shorts with an elastic waistband, a teeny tiny pair of blue heels. They have a hard sole and heel. The bottom of the shoe is painted tan. Then we have a little satin finish here and some cording. Let's carefully place the shoe on the doll. I'm really bad at this. Oh, come on. So close. Got it. You know what? Putting Integrity Toy shoes on is so scary to me. I have broken them before, and now I am scarred for life. Don't get me wrong, I love the shoes. I think they are super detailed, but with all those details does come the possibility of breaking things. I usually just display the shoes in my doll closets and never wear them. But we're wearing them today because it's unboxing day, which is like a special occasion. She also comes with jewelry, which I wasn't expecting because it's a basic doll, but I'll take it. We have a pair of gold-colored earrings. She does come with her ears pierced, allowing her to rock this small pair of hoops. She also comes with a small double ring that slides onto her finger. I love that their fingers are separated, but I'm probably gonna lose that ring, so yeah, that's also going on display. Now that she is fully dressed, I would like to present to you Natural High Lilith Blair Open Edition Basic Doll from Integrity Toys with a suggested retail price of $99. Wow, she goes like all out for yoga class. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and there's some rotation there, the upper torso, the hip, and the knee. Her joints are a little squeaky, but they are holding position, so I'm not going to complain. She will be a new cast member on our show, Summer and Callie, named Octavia. And yes, her name was inspired by the 100, but her personality is totally not based on the show. She is going to be a little posh, so we did a little shopping. I picked up a few items from tinyfrockshop.com, the 12-inch fashion doll department store, Vogue-worthy editorial-styled, trend-based, new and pre-loved clothing, accessories, furniture, housewares, electronics, dolls, and more for Barbie and 12-inch fashion dolls. Ooh, it's all wrapped up all pretty and nice, so I can just rip through the tissue paper. And I'm really destroying my paper. Okay, here we go. And we're rolling it out. And it's so super packed here. Ooh! We picked up some Balenciagas, y'all. And I don't own any, personally, but hey, my dolls do. Cool! Here we have a pair of sneakers. They're black, white, and red with cream on the soles. The whole shoe is hard, what you would expect from a doll shoe. However, we do have laces there. Can you see them? However, they may be a little too large for our Octavia. Yeah, plus she has a high heel foot sculpt. However, they do fit our custom Trevor Noah. Yeah! But with a pair of socks, you can probably rock them on a curvy Barbie. But I will most likely use them as a prop in the closet for mini hubby. Because I like options, I bought a second pair. These are white, black, hot pink, and cream. They have white laces. They say Balenciaga on the side, have lots of painted details. Very nice shoe. And there we have the beginning of my miniature sneaker collection. But don't worry, Octavia, I know there is something here for you. In addition to the Balenciaga shoes, we also bought whatever is wrapped up in this paper. And voila! Some Balenciaga bags. These were $32 each because, yeah, you gotta pay for designer, even in miniature. These look pretty neat. It is closed. There is a chain that looks like a faux zipper. We have two little handles here. There is a seam in the back. They are pretty solid and lightweight. However, excessive pulling can damage them because, you know, handmade. Octavia can easily carry the bag on her arm. So not only does she wear heels to the gym, but she carries a Balenciaga bag. I haven't quite decided on her style yet, but her outfit is pretty easy to remove. So she can try on a dress from Logan's Locker 718 on Etsy, or some pants from my Dolly Dolls. We paired it with Raya's shirt from the Disney store and the Balenciaga bag. I'm kind of loving this look. Dude, did you see her fingernails? They are crazy long. And we can also go with the new blue dress from the Barbie style doll. And she can rock our dollar store golden swimwear for the summer. Overall, I am very pleased with this doll and very excited for more Integrity Toys direct exclusives. Loving my new designer bags from Tiny Frock Shop, and I can't wait to add Octavia to the cast of Summer and Callie. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at this Integrity Toys doll. Let us know in the comments down below if this doll is a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!